Hi, first graders. It's time for some foundations. We are on Unit 8, Week 2, Day 3, and we're going to start by reviewing your sounds. Today, I'm going to show you a card, and all you're going to tell me is the sound that that card makes. Don't tell me the picture. Don't even tell me the letter. Just tell me the sound. Here we go. Zzz. Qua. X. Or. Are. All. And then we have some new trick words this week. And if you remember, trick words are words that we can't tap out because they would sound so silly if we tap them out. So we just have to learn to look at them and know them. Your first word is going to be her. Can you say that word with me? Her. Let's spell it. H-E-R. Her. That is her puppy. This is the word her. Our next word is the word over. Spell it with me. O-V-E-R. Over. The cow jumped over the moon. And our last one, this is a long one, but this is the word number. Say that word. Number. Take a deep breath because we're going to spell every letter. N-U-M-B-E-R. Number. My favorite number is 3. So now I'm going to show you some sentences. I'm going to read them. Invite her over here. Can you read that one with me? Invite her over here. And I'm going to circle a word, and you know the drill. As soon as you know what word I circled, you're going to yell it at me. Her. Good job. This is the word her. Now, my second sentence is the exact same. Invite her over here. And this time I'm going to circle 2 words. So you're going to yell 2 words at me. Good. You should have yelled her and over. Invite her over here. If I use the word her, am I talking about a boy or a girl? A girl. Very good. My last sentence. 2 is my favorite number. Okay, tell me what I circled. Number. Very good. We're going to go and review some of our other sight words. So you're going to look at this word on the card and we're going to read them together. We're going to go kind of fast on these. Ready? From. Have. Do. Does. Were. Are. Who. What. When. Where. There. Here. Why. By. My. Try. Put. To. Very. Also. Some. Come. Would. Could. Should. Very good. I'm going to clear those cards and I'm going to put 3 new ones up there. And these are words that we just learned today. Do you remember what this first word is? Her. Number. Over. Awesome job. So I'm going to get my tiles out. Starting last week and this week, we've been talking about consonant blends. And if you remember, a blend and a digraph is not the same thing. If I look down here, I have all of these yellow cards that have 2 letters on them. They're both consonants. Those are our digraphs. I'm going to drag them up here to the top. When I have a digraph, we know that that's 2 consonants put together to make one sound. That's why they share a card. It's one sound, one tap. Let's say the sounds that these digraphs make. W, ch, sh, k. But sometimes I have 2 consonants that don't make one sound, they make 2 sounds. I hear both letters. And that could be like in this one. So I see two consonants because I see two yellow cards, and yellows are consonants. But they get their own card because they get their own sounds. When I would tap out this sound, I would say b-er, b-er. I tapped both letters and I heard both sounds. So my digraphs up here up top, they share a card because they share a sound. My consonant blends down here, they get their own card because they have their own sounds. Sometimes, oh, let's practice that word first. So let's do a word with a blend. Okay, so I have my cards up there and I'm going to get my marker out. We're going to see what we have to mark up in this word. I see yellow, pink, yellow, yellow. And I know that I need to look at these two yellows at the end. LF. That's not one of my digraphs, so I'm going to leave them up here with their own two cards. And now I know that that's a blend. To mark up a blend, I underline each letter. They get their own line because they get their own tap and their own sound. So I don't see anything else I need to mark up here. Maybe I could put a breve above my vowel because it's short. But we're now ready to tap this word out. Tap this word with me, first grade. G, A, O, F, golf. At the end of the word, I tapped ol, f. They both got their own tap. They both got their own sound because in that word, I hear both letters. Golf. Sometimes I'm going to have a consonant that is blended with a digraph, and we call that a digraph blend. So before we called it a consonant blend because it was two consonants that we put next to each other, like the L and the F in golf. But watch what I do with this next word. Yellow, pink, yellow, yellow. But this last yellow card has a digraph on it. So I'm just automatically going to get my pen out and I'm going to underline my digraph. But I need to do something with this yellow card before it. Since it's yellow, yellow, that means it's a blend. So I'm going to go ahead and underline my consonant. That's telling me I'm going to tap my N, but I'm also going to tap my CH. I don't see anything else here I need to mark up, maybe the breve above the vowel. So we're going to tap this word out very carefully. Each card gets a tap. Remember that. Here we go. B, E, N, Ch, bench. So our word was bench, like a bench that we sit on. And if I said first graders, where is your digraph blend? You would tell me N, C, H, because I'm blending my N with my CH. Let's do another one. I have the word, I'm going to drag it up here. So I have yellow, yellow, pink, yellow, and then I'm actually putting a suffix on this word. I'm going to get out my pen. Let's start marking up. My first yellow card, what is this? This is a digraph, so I'm going to underline my digraph. I have another yellow next to it. What does that tell me? That it's a blend. So I'm going to do digraph, blend. I could put a breve above my U, and I need to do something with this bright yellow card. I need to circle my suffix and underline my base word. Okay, now since this is a suffix, some of you might be thinking, but that's a consonant. Isn't it a consonant blend? It's not because it's a suffix. They don't get to be a part of the consonant blends. Okay, let's get ready to tap. We're going to give a tap for every single card. We're going to hide our suffix behind our back. Here we go. Sh, g, z, shrug, shrugs. And I'm going to ask you a lot of questions about this word. So first graders, first of all, what's my base word? Shrug. If we remember, a base word is everything without the suffix. Okay, number 2 question. What is my blend? My blend is SHR. And that's just not any blend. Do you remember what kind of blend it is? A digraph blend. Very good. Now, some words and their titles like to be tricky, and I'm going to show you one that's trying to trick us. Okay, so when I get my marker out, the first thing I see is that green card, and I know that it's a glued sound, and I'm going to box my glued sound. And then I see my digraph at the end, so I'm going to underline my digraph. But here's where it's being tricky. If I look at my glued sound, my first letter is A, which if I look over here is pink, that's a vowel. But my second letter, N, well, down here it's on a yellow card, so it's a consonant. And guess what? That means I have a consonant and then a digraph. So I'm going to underline that consonant, just a little one, because guess what? This is now my digraph blend. I have an N and a CH. Okay, so this one's going to use our brain a lot when we tap it out because we're going to tap out a glued sound and we're going to tap out the digraph. So remember to glue 2 fingers together right here. Are you ready? And ch, ranch. One more time. And ch, ranch. And if I said first graders, what's your blend in this word? What would you say back? NCH. Good job. And it's not just any blend. What kind of blend is it? A digraph blend. Very good. And that's all today. Good job, first grade.